Hey, this is Lady C coming back at you with another video tutorial about Gmail, helping you to find emails. All right, now, before I get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new content. Have you ever began composing an email and the email was very important? You had all of your ideas in your head, you typed them in the email message, and all of a sudden the email just vanishes off of your screen. Well, in the upcoming tutorial, I'm going to help you discover how to find those missing emails. So let's hop to it. Okay, so now notice we're in my Gmail, and what I want to do is try to recreate a situation that you could find yourself in. So what I'm going to do is just compose an email. And notice how this new message window appears. I'm going to go ahead and address this email to a recipient. I'm going to add a subject. I'm just going to put test. Testing 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to attempt to just start typing something. This is a test. So now you get busy, things happen, and then somehow you end up outside of your email. Maybe you might even go over here and click on this little X, not realizing it. But notice what happened when I point to the X. Notice how it says save and close. Okay? So if you click on the X, it's going to simply just save and close it. But if you go down to the bottom right-hand side of the screen and you click on the icon of the trash can, it's going to actually delete this email. So now we're going to talk about what happens to these emails when you click on the X to close out. All you have to do is come to the left-hand side of the screen and go to the drafts folder. And when you click on the drafts folder, you're going to note every email that you started to write, but then you didn't finish it. And when you go to your email, you may find that you have a lot of missing emails that you didn't know you had because you thought that you lost them. So this is where you'll actually go and find all of your missing emails. And you'll notice the one that I just started typing, testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Notice how this is where this one is at as well. So there it is. So all you got to do is just click on the email and begin finishing your message and then simply choose send. If these tips were helpful to you, be sure to hit that like button and I'll see you on the next video.